How to create an account on Gate.io. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Gate.io application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Gate.io app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Gate.io app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now tap on logins, that's sign up. Now look at the bottom of the screen where you can see the icon for create a Gate.io account. Tap on it. If you want to create an account using your Apple ID or Google, just select according to your preference. If you want to create your account using Apple ID, then tap on continue with Apple. Tap on continue. Now verify your Face ID. Click on create new account. Over here, write down your email address. Accept the user agreement and click on sign up. Go over your Gmail. Gate.io will send you a verification code. After you write down your verification code, now create a password. Make sure that no one can steal your password. Now click on confirm. Now you need to verify your ID card. Once you verify your ID card, your account will be successfully created. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to create account on Gate.io application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Gate.io application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.